Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you how to change Planet Fitness location. But first, I got a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to change your Planet Fitness location here, maybe like transfer to a different city, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, the thing with Planet Fitness here, in order for you to change locations, there are a few requirements here. So the first thing that you need to understand here is you need to meet the following criteria. Now, first is you need to be a member of Planet Fitness for about 90 days, and you haven't transferred your membership for the past 90 days as well. So as long as you are or you've been with them for 3 months, you'll be able to transfer your membership here to a different location. Now, also, you may need to make sure that you don't have any outstanding dues, and also that your membership is billed monthly and not paid in full membership. Because again, if you're going to pay for your full membership here, well, you'll be locked on that specific location. Now, in this case, in order for you to get a transfer, typically what you need to do is you just need to access your account and you'll be able to see the option for you to transfer membership. Now, if you don't know where it is, well, the easiest way for you to do that is just type in the following. It's going to be Planet Fitness FAQ. Now, in this case, you want to go access the very first option here. This is Planet Fitness Customer Service and FAQ. And you should be able to see the same screen that I'm seeing right now. Open up the how do I transfer my membership to a different Planet Fitness club. Go and choose the transfer your membership online, and this will redirect you to the login page. And once you've logged in, you just need to choose your where do you want to change your membership or your location, and you'll be able to change your membership. But just in case you aren't able to do this online, you may need to contact your home club to get some assistance. So in this case, you may need to go to the actual location first to get some assistance, just in case you don't or you can't change this or you can't update this yourself online. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.